While inspecting, we document and record any problems, stains, or damage for our personal records and the homeowners. We then test for dye transfer and pH test the rug so as to ensure that we use the proper cleaning products for the specific job at hand. Now, the rug you see here was regularly maintained by the homeowner using a standard household vacuum. However, deeply embedded soils, sand, and grit that can permanently damage and detract from the luster of your rug are often left behind. This is why we employ our high-impact dusting system, which ensures the removal of these hidden soils. And as you can see here, the results are often rather scary. Afterwards, it's time to pre-spot the areas documented earlier. And if pet stains are an issue, this is when we neutralize and flush out the invisible urine salts that are often deep within the fibers. Once all the spots have been treated, it's time for a bath. Utilizing a special blend of our custom-made, in-house chemicals, we custom fit our bath system for the particular rug at hand. Our triple planetary rotary machine ensures a thorough deep scrubbing that's simply unparalleled by other consumer-grade machines. Afterwards, we perform a hot water vacuum and rinse. By this step, any soils that may have arrived with your rug are long gone, and our follow-up grooming process ensures that our outdoor soft sun racking system benefits greatly from all the fibers standing tall, providing a deep universal dry. After drying, we offer an optional sealing and conditioning process, which helps protect your rug from future topical damage and stains. And as a final step, we package your rug for delivery and seal in a deodorization sheet. This provides a light and pleasant fragrance, as a great looking rug should smell great too.